In this tutorial, we will calculate the volume of lead and tail slurry, as well as the displacement volume for a stab-in casing. We should select cement and drilling volume, and switch on the float collar and stab-in switches. This sets the entry fields for a stab-in cementing calculation. We will add the 24-inch previous casing and the 22.5-inch open hole to the outer string. We will then fill each pipe section bottom depth. After completing the outer string, we will switch to the inner pipe entry screen. Now, we will enter the casing details. And enter the casing bottom depth. The excess percent and the float collar depth are also entered. And finally select the stab-in string size. We will now enter the fluid's name and top depths. It should be noted that the shoe track volume will be added to the bottommost fluid. If only a lightweight slurry is to be pumped, then it should be entered in the place of the tail slurry. The calculation is then run, and the results are displayed in the output section. Finally, we should save the case under a given name.